English dictation 80 words per minute. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, as my name has been mentioned, I may kindly be permitted to say something. The point is that the letter which has been quoted just now was written by the Honorable Prime Minister to the President of the Congress Party. It was in conformity with the statement which was made yesterday also by the Prime Minister, and in which he categorically said that no organization and nobody in this country will be permitted to do anything which amount to flaunting the legal decision of the court. I am happy for that. I think that the statement that the Prime Minister made and which was repeated in a different language in the letter written to Srimati Sonia Gandhi was a very salutary thing, but in spite of that letter and in spite of the Prime Minister's statement, those people, the leader of the organization like the VHP, the Bajrang Dal, and so on are the opposition parties in opposition to this government. They are not opposition parties. Sri Ashok Singhal and Sri Giriraj Kishore are everyday issuing lengthy statements amounting to saying that whatever the government or the prime minister may say, they are determined to go ahead with their plan of constructing the temple at the very side where the masjid used to stand. That means that they are publicly and openly congratulating what the Prime Minister has said and what is being said by the Home Minister just now. So it is all very well for the government to say that when the time comes, they will say whether they are doing something illegal or not. But I want to know that at present what prevent the Prime Minister